Now, we at the finale, and I think we had 4 great units. So that should tell you how I feel about number 1. Number 1 is absolutely special. It don't have 1 private terrace or 2 private terrace or 3 private terrace. Whew, I feel like LeBron.
Championships.
Not 2.
LeBron, tell us about that.
Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6.
Number 1 have 4 private terrace. Not only are we in the penthouse on the top floor, but we have the whole floor with panoramic views around the city, 4 private terrace, full floor unit. I'm done talking. Roll the clip.
All right, as we kick off the tour, as soon as we walk in, immediately on your left, you're going to have a powder room. I think this powder room is a subtle preview of the sophistication that you'll see throughout the apartment. Now, we step into the expansive living and dining area where you're introduced to one of 4 outdoor spaces. Now here, we have the 40-foot great room that has soaring 14-foot ceilings, 8 floor-to-ceiling windows. Then you have these panoramic views of the East River. We have the Queensboro Bridge and the city skyline. This space is drenched in natural light from the 3 different exposures. I mean, this space speaks for itself. Absolutely incredible, great for entertaining. It's an absolute masterpiece, but let's make our way to the northern wing. The northern wing is entirely dedicated to the primary suite. We're going to start in this private study room. The room is flexible. It's easily convertible into an additional bedroom, and it opens up to its own private terrace with incredible views. Now, from here, we're going to check out the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom have west-facing oversized windows that frame breathtaking views of Central Park. Inside of the primary bedroom, you have this custom walk-in closet. Then we're going to make our way to the primary bathroom. Yes, you do have this 3rd private terrace if you're keeping count. Now, the primary bathroom is designed with honed Bianco Oro marble, Ceruse oak flooring. You have radiant heated floors and ambient lighting that sets a spa-like mood. And you can't forget about the glass enclosed water closet. And you have the glass enclosed shower. I mean, this bathroom was thoughtfully designed, beautifully designed, absolutely incredible. But let's transition to the opposite wing where the 2nd bedrooms await. Now, the first thing we're going to see on this wing is the first secondary bathroom. The first secondary bathroom features a custom Ceruse oak vanity, Bianco Oro marble detailing, and porcelain floor. Then we step inside this sun-filled bedroom that opens up into, you guessed it, yet another private terrace. Now, we're going to make our way to another full bathroom, followed by a bright and airy bedroom with southeast facing views. This bedroom is spacious and versatile. This room could be styled as a guest suite, home office, or creative studio. And it opens directly onto a private terrace. Now, this private terrace here is the one that we seen when we first came in from the great room. So it connects seamlessly back into that living and dining area, creating a full circle moment within the home. And before we wrap it up, we can't forget about the kitchen. The kitchen is outfitted with Ceruse oak cabinetry and bespoke Mont Blanc quartzite countertops and a full suite of Miele appliances. I mean, as you've seen, this unit has it all. We have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths for $9.95 million right here in the Upper East Side. You guys let me know what you think about this one.